It's Penny and the professor. Here's Penny.
Hi everybody, we're back and we've been taking a deeper exploration into the words and illustrations of our book today, and we've been learning a lot about details. And Crafty asked us, how does adding details work? And we've added some details to a picture before. I don't know if you remember this picture of our bus, and we added people and a bus driver and the word city bus. We added some details, and that's how it worked for the bus. But she was thinking maybe we could do some more about adding details now that we've read more, right? So we're going to go back to those pages 21 and 22 that we talked about last time. And it is the page that looks like this on the board. It's where CJ got off the bus and there was the crumbling sidewalks. I don't know if you remember the crumbling sidewalks and the graffiti tagged windows and the boarded up stores and all of that. And I'm going to read this again. I want you to listen carefully, and then I'm going to ask you this question. What if we added details to a city street picture to give it more information? So remember how we added details to the bus picture? Let's think about if we were to add details to a picture of a city, so of a city street. So let's start by reading it and thinking about what we might picture in our mind. Maybe close your eyes if you want while I read it, or just look at your picture in the book and see if you can picture any of these things. CJ looked around as he stepped off the bus. Crumbling sidewalks and broken down doors, graffiti tagged windows and boarded up stores. He reached for his Nana's hand. How come it's always so dirty over here? She smiled and pointed to the sky. Sometimes when you're surrounded by dirt, CJ, you're a better witness for what's beautiful. And so I want you to think, today you have a picture in your packet that looks like this. It's a blank city. So there's actually 2 blank cities on your page. You don't need both of those. So what you're going to do is you're going to just cut off the bottom half and you're going to glue it into your response journal on the next blank page like this. So you have the picture of the blank city at the top, and then you have your lines underneath. And what I want you guys to think about doing is adding details to your city picture. So basically, you're just going to add some details that you heard. So it says here that I really want you to focus on these 2 sentences. Crumbling sidewalks and broken down doors, graffiti tagged windows and boarded up stores. And see if you can make your city street picture have more details to match what the words are in the book, so that we can kind of get that information put together. It's your turn to add details, practice adding details, and show us what you find out so that we can see details in a picture that match the words that we're talking about. If you decide to go a whole different route, and instead of making yours look like crumbling sidewalks and broken down doors and graffiti tagged windows, if you'd like to make yours look different, maybe you want yours to be something different. I'm not going to tell you what, because I want to see what you come up with. If you want yours to be different, have a grown-up or a learning coach help you write down underneath what your different describing words are. Maybe you have some different sensory adjectives that you can add down there to say, I see a colorful sidewalk, or a fuzzy door, or I don't know, just see what you can do. You guys can add some details and make your drawing your own, or you can try to make it match what we have in the book. So up to you. Can't wait to see what you guys write about in your response journals with your city landscape, and we will see you soon. Bye for now.